What's up guys, it's Rahul here and welcome to my video from milestone number 3. And milestone number 3 is a really big one because it was my facial recognition model creation, which is pretty important for a facial recognition project. So yeah, let's get right into the model. As you can see here, if I go to annotate, I have 177 images of me annotated and 290 images of other random people annotated. Typically for nanoNets, you only need 50 to 100 photos for each label, but I wanted to make sure that my model would work with a lot more confidence. So, as you can see, my model runs with 91% accuracy. That's pretty good. So, let's get right into the demo. Welcome to the demo of my facial recognition. Previously, I'd been testing this with object detection, but recently I have made the facial recognition, as you might know. So now I'm going to test it by calling on the Python script as I did. I'll prompt the camera to come up. 5 seconds to take the picture. It's taking the picture now. So we're going to wait for the results. And while we wait, I'm just going to bring the camera closer so you guys can see what it does live. As you can see, access was granted as it thought it was me with 67% confidence. I'll be now going into how and why this happens. Okay, yeah, so I'm back here. I'm basically just going to be explaining how and why that happened. So, if you might remember, previously the response was given in like this really long string, and we saw the score and we saw the label, but we wanted to be able to parse through that. And the way I did that was using JSON.loads and the type function, which allowed me to convert the string into a data structure, which is a Python dictionary within an array, and so on and so forth. It's a little complex, but with that, I was able to parse it out and get the label and the score. We're right now like seeing this through VNC Viewer, just if you were interested. Basically, my project is going to be a safe, which has 2 measures of security. The first one being a keypad, and the second one being the facial recognition, which is what makes this project unique. And on that front, I only need a certain amount of confidence with along with the accuracy to grant the facial recognition validity for security measures. So I'm going to use 60% as my quota for that, plus the password. I think that's pretty secure. And with this code, that's how I'm able to do it. Next steps are just to attach the breadboard, get everything set up, electrical engineering type stuff.